get catching my breath, lay my eyes on the quest, gonna swim until whatever heat that is left, so I'll carry the torch.
In the previous video, I loaded trajectory text files. This video shows how to create your own trajectory. After toggling to the navigate and listen XY button, adjust height width slider and then click the skeleton. Clicking generate gives a smooth trajectory from the skeleton. The trajectory will track waypoints more strictly if we reduce waypoint margin. Save the smooth trajectory on the text file. We repeat the process for the other target also. To use the trajectory, we upload the set of trajectories, saved as text files. If you want to simulate the trajectory by publishing the set point, then click Test Start. You can pause the testing and observe what's happening. The source code can be found from the below link. Thank you for watching.